Namaste students. Today we are going to recall about parts and terms in basic 4 operation. What are the basic 4 operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's see one by one. Addition. In addition, the numbers that are added are called addends, and the result of addition is called the sum. The symbol for using addition is plus. The keyword for addition: add, plus, join, altogether, combine, both, in all, total, increase. Move on to subtraction. The symbol for subtraction is minus. Parts of subtraction: minuend, subtrahend, difference. The number from which another number is subtracted is called minuend. The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. The result of subtraction problem is difference. When we find the difference of two numbers, we always subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Keywords: take away, decrease, less, minus, left, fewer, subtract, how many, more, difference. Multiplication. Parts of multiplications are multiplicand, multiplier, product. The number which is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. The number of times the multiplicand is to be multiplied is called multiplier. The result of the multiplication is called product. Keywords are twice, times, groups of, double, per, each, equal groups, all together, multiply. Also, if we multiply a whole number by a 10, then we can write 1 0 at the end of the multiplicand. If we multiply a whole number by 100, then we can write 2 zeros at the end of the multiplicand. Suppose if we multiply a whole number by 1000, we can write 3 zeros at the end of the multiplicand. Next, move on to division. Terms associated with division. First, dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Divisor. The number by which we divide the dividend is called divisor. Quotient. The number that we get after the division is called the quotient. Remainder. The number which is left undivided is called remainder. Remainder is always less than the divisor. In a division sum, we always have formula for checking. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Keywords are divide, each, between, cut up, share, half, how many in each, divided by. If we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. If we divide a number by the number itself, the quotient is 1. Division of a number by 0 is meaningless. 0 divided by a number gives 0 as the quotient. When we divide by 10, one's places of dividend will be a remainder. Remaining digits are quotient. When we divide by 100, one's tens place of dividend will be remainder. Remaining digits are quotient. When we divide by 1000, one's tens 100 place will be a remainder. Remaining digits are quotient. In next video, we will do the sums along with stories, which means we are going to do story problems. While doing the story problems, these things will help to you. In our life, multiplication with smile is equal to happiness. Division with problem is equal to experience. Subtraction with failure is equal to achievement. Moments addition with your presence is equal to value of the life. Thank you, students.